Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Maargdarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English for you. Yes, we have learned few letters. Yes, we have learned few letters using straight line. Yes, this is what? Standing line. So we have learned few letters using standing line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Yes, we have learned few letters using this sleeping line also. Yes, and few letters using this slanting line. Yes, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Yes, we have learned letters using these three lines. Today we are going to trace some more letters which are easily be traceable using curved line. We have one more line. What is that line known as? Curved line. It will be like this, children. Curved. It won't be straight. It won't be straight. These all standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. All are straight lines. All are straight line. Now we will learn the letters which are written using curved line. Using curved line. In this we will use slanting line, straight line, and also curved line, Understood, children? Which picture is this? Ball. Which picture is this? Ball. So B for ball. B for ball. Now shall we learn how to write B letter? Yes. A letter you have learned. A for alphabet. A for apple you have learned. Yes. How to write A for apple. Now we will learn B. B for ball. B for bus. B for bag. Yes. B for buffalo. So now today we will learn letter B, how to write letter B. See the board. Yes. You will start from the red line. And come to the blue line. Yes. B for ball we are learning now. What we are learning? B for ball and using curved lines. Yes. This is straight line. Now we will use curved line. See how I am using curved line. How you will draw a line from red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. You will draw a straight line. Now we will use curved line. See, from here to here, one curved line, and from blue line to second blue line, one more curved line. This is B. This is B letter. Which letter is this? Letter B. Understood, children? How to write letter B? First we will draw a standing line. First we will write a standing line. First we will write one standing line. Then we will write two curved lines. These lines are curved. No, they are not straight. Yes, this line is straight, but this, now I am writing this. Which line is this? Curved line. It is not a straight line. So like this, one and one more, two. This is letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for buffalo. Yes. So many letters we have in letter B. B for box. Yes. Once again shall we write? You should see carefully and you should understand how to write. Yes, see the board carefully. You should start from the red line and come down to the second blue line. You should start from the red line and come down to the second blue line. And this is which line now? This is standing line. Now we will write two curved lines. One, two. So which letter is this? Letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for box. So which letter is this? B. Once again shall we write? Yes, see the board. How first what you should write? You should write a straight line. First one straight line. Red line to second blue line. Then now curves. Two curves. One curve. You will come and touch on the first blue line. Then one more curve on the second blue line. Which letter is this? Letter B. Which letter is this? Letter B. Yes, understood how to write letter B now? Shall we learn one more letter? Then see the picture and say which one is this? Cat. Yes, C for cat. Now shall we learn how to write cat? C? Yes, see the board. Very simple, children. Yes, one big curve. This is C. Finish. One big curve. Here we used two curves. Yes, here see how to write only one big curve. Okay, curve line. Now this is straight line. No, this is not straight. This is not standing line. This is not sleeping line. It is a curved line. It is a curved line. So once again, shall we write? See, very simple. Start from the red line and ending on second blue line. Start from the red line and end on second blue line. See. This is C, capital C, big C. Which letters we are learning? All these are capital letters, big letters. Yes, capital letters. All these are known as capital letters, big letters. Once again, shall we write C for cat? Yes. C for cat. C for carrot. Yes, you like to eat carrot? Yes, you should eat carrot. Carrot is good for health. So, we will learn now. Yes, C for cat. C for carrot. How to write carrot? C. Start from red line and curved line. Touch the blue line. Touch the blue line. Which letter is this? Letter C. Which letter is this? Letter C. Shall we write once again? Yes, C. Start from the red line and come down to the second blue line. Curve line. One big curve line. One big curve line. What is this? Letter C. C for cat. Big letter C. C for cat. C for carrot. Now one more letter we will learn. Yes? Understood how to write B? Understood how to write C? Now we will learn one more letter. What is this picture? See the picture and say me. Duck. D for duck. D for duck. So, shall we write now D? See, D is also very simple and easy. One standing line. What? One standing line. You will draw one standing line. Then one big curve line. One big curve line. This is capital D. What is that? Capital D. Understood? D for duck. D for duck. D for doll. You all like to play with doll? Yes. D for duck. D for doll. Once again, shall we write D? See. One straight line. One standing line. One straight standing line. And one big curve from red line to second blue line. Big curve from red line to second blue line. Which letter is this? B. Capital D. Which letter is this? Capital D. D for duck. D for doll. D for donkey. Yes. D for duck. D for doll. D for donkey. Once again we learn D. Yes. See when I am writing on the board. See one straight line. Standing line. One standing line. You will start from red line and touch the second blue line. Here we won't use this fourth line. Yes, we are using fourth line. No, we will use first three lines. We will use first three lines. So, how to write D? One straight standing line. Then one big curve. Big curve. This is letter D. Letter D. Once again, shall we write? Yes. One standing line. Yes, up to down. Standing line. Up to down, standing line, up to down. Then one big curve, big curve. This is letter D. Yes, children, everybody have practiced letters using this straight line, standing, sleeping and slanting lines. Those who have finished writing those letters, you can start writing this, okay? Each letter 2 pages will be your homework. Letter B 2 pages. Letter C 2 pages, letter D also 2 pages. Each letter 2 pages you should write for your homework. Understood, children? You should write B 2 pages, you should write C 2 pages, you should write D 2 pages. Now shall we read? What is this? B. B for ball. B for ball. Yes. Here, what is this? B. Yes. Which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. After A. A is the first letter. A. After A. B. After A you have learned. Yes. How to write A? Shall I write once again A? Yes. This is A you have learned. Yes. 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter A. After A for apple, B for ball. This is second letter you should write. After A letter, B letter. After B, C. After C, D. Yes, 4 letters. A, B, C, D. Yes, already we have learned in slanting lines letter A. A, B, C, D. So today which letters we have learned? New letters. We have learned B. We have learned C. We have learned D also. Yes children. Once again. B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for carrot. D for duck. D for donkey. D for doll. What is this? B. C, D, B, C, D, B, C, D, B, C, D. Yes. A is the first letter. When you write A, B, C, D, we will start with A letter. A for apple. Then B for ball, C for cat, D for dog or donkey or duck. Okay, D for dog, D for donkey, D for duck. Once again, which letter is this? A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. These are the 4 first letters of A, B, C, D. When you are writing A, B, C, D, you will write these first 4 letters first. A, B, C, D. You will write these 4 letters first. Yes, understood how to write? Children, yes, which letter is this? B. B for ball. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for carrot. C. Which letter is this? D. D for duck. D for donkey. D for dog. B. C. D. Again say B. C. D. Again B, C, D. Your homework will be each letter 2 times. Shall I write homework here? Homework. E-A-C-H, each. L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. 2 pages. 2, P-A-G-E-S, pages. So, your homework will be each letter 2 pages. B letter 2 pages, C letter 2 pages and D letter also 2 pages. Parents, please draw lines in their books and give them. They will write it neatly. Yes children, your parents will draw lines for you and you should write very neatly touching the lines. And when you are writing, you should say which letter is that. If you are writing B, you should say B for ball, B for ball, B for ball, B for ball. If you are writing C letter, you should say C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. After finishing C, you will write D, no? Then what you will say? D for duck, D for dog, D for dog, D for duck. Okay? So when you are writing, you touch the lines and you repeat what you are saying. You should open your mouth and say. You should not see the first letter and go on writing fast. Okay? You should open mouth and you should say which letter is that. Then only you will have that recognition. If we say write letter B, then you should be able to write fast. If we say write letter D, you should be able to write letter D. Okay? Understood? So you should, when you are writing, you should say which letter you are writing and you should write. Now say me today which letters we have learned. We have learned 3 new letters. Using which lines? Curved lines. Using which lines? Curved lines. Curved lines may be like this. It may be like this. It may be like this. Yes, it may be like this. So all these are curved lines. Yes. All these are what? Straight lines, standing, sleeping, slanting, all straight lines. So these all are what? Standing lines. These all are what? Standing lines. So today which letters we are learning? Using standing line. Letters using standing line. Say me which letter is this? B, C, D. Again. B, C, D. B, C, D. B, C, D. Again. B for ball, C for cat, D for duck. B for ball, C for cat, D for duck. B for ball, C for cat, D for duck. B for ball, C for cat, D for duck. So you have learned 3 new letters today using curved lines. So write it very neatly. Yes. B, 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 B. Are you repeating after me? You should say when I am saying, when I am putting my scale on that letter, you should also say which letter is that. Come on, say. C. 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 D. 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 Again. B. C. D. B, C, D. B, C, D. B, C, D. So you will divide your paper into 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts you will divide, and in one paper you will write each letter. B letter 2 pages homework. C letter 2 pages homework, and also D letter 2 pages homework. You all will finish your homework. Yes, you will finish your homework. You all are good children. You will finish your homework with neat handwriting. And how you should start? You should start from the red line. All capital letters you will start from the red line. Yes. Here in these letters we did not use this 4th line. So you too should not write on the 4th line. Use first 3 lines. Touch the lines and write very neatly in your classwork, children. Yes, complete your classwork 2 pages, 2 each letter, 2 pages, and write it very neatly, children. Thank you. Ayyo.